अपना गोल्ड मनपुरम लॉकर में रखो। सब लोग ऐसा स्मार्ट बनो, कहीं किधर भी स्मार्ट बन जाए।
मनपुरम ऑनलाइन गोल्ड लोन स्मार्ट है।
Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavna Rao, a dentist by profession and a Bharatanatyam artist. My father is a surgeon and my mom is a homemaker. My parents have made sure that their children always receive the best. I have been raised as a very ethical and honest person. I started dancing at the age of 7. I joined a dance class because I had tremendous interest in Bharatanatyam. I finished my graduation from Chennai and my post-graduation in endodontics, which is root canal specialist. I did my fellowship certificate from Savita University. All was going well when I was in class 9, a severe bout of jaundice struck me. I was advised against any physical activity. I was advised complete rest because my liver was damaged to 90%. My parents had to opt for a steroid treatment with no other option left because the jaundice was very, very severe. With no other option left, my parents didn't have to consent. Of course, it did cure my jaundice within a week, but it resulted in tremendous weight gain. My weight shot up to 90 kilos. But at that point, it did not affect me. Just like any teenager, I was not bothered about the way I looked. But when I was in the second year of my graduation, it suddenly struck me that this is not the way I want to look. This is not me. So I hit the gym. Within a year, I lost 20 kilos. That made a big difference in my life, in my self-confidence and my self-esteem. The way I felt and the way I looked gave me so much motivation that it did not stop me. So I can proudly say that my fitness journey dates back to 18 years now, and there has been no looking back. I got married in 2011 to a very simple, humble, gentle person who has till date supported me in everything that I have been wanting to do. In 2016, I came across an ad in the newspaper which said Mrs. Chennai 2016. Until then, pageants were never my thing. But I used to watch it on television and feel really happy and excited when India was crowned Miss World or Miss Universe. But then when I saw this ad, I thought I should give it a shot. I went for the auditions, but I did not make it through. Being a very motivated and perseverant person, I decided to go back again in 2017, worked harder and more prepared for it. I auditioned for Mrs. South India in 2020. In 2017, but I did not make it to the auditions again. Again, being a very perseverant person, I went back in 2020. There has been no looking back since then because pageants, I think, are an addiction. Today, I stand in front of you as Mrs. Chennai 2017, Mrs. Tamil Nadu 2020, Mrs. South India, second runner-up 2020, and probably Mrs. India Global 2021. I also work for an NGO which sponsors the education of underprivileged children, and I am an ambassador for blood and organ donation. At this point, I would also like to put across that organ donation still comes with a lot of stigma, but the kind of difference that it can make to a life is tremendous. So I urge all of you to kindly register yourselves for organ donation. My ambition through these pageants, the number of pageants that I take part, is to empower and motivate many women like me to come out of their shells and express themselves, to express their true potential. Because women are hard people and there is no looking back because it is important to stay motivated. Prove yourself and nobody can stop you from doing what you want to be. Thank you.
Time won't wait for you. Technology can't be redefined. We are ready to start the game. TQ Watches, your style icon.